Hey folks, Jimmy Weller here with Jimmy's Crash Course on a high quality double door 7x16 trailer. This is a US cargo trailer. It's a very reputable brand and they've been building trailers for a very long time. 30 plus years. It has the high performance wood that is chipped wood together, glued together, and it's going to last longer than plywood or OSB. This trailer in particular has a lot of options. It has side D-rings, 2 on each sidewall. It has an inside spare tire holder, which is that item on the floor. It also has that extension jack foot. All that's included. It has 4 recessed D-rings on the floor, and then a lot of the standard options, which include a one-piece roof, the V-nose that is sloped from the top downward, sidewall vents, door holdbacks. I want to show you these because they are not what I would call your typical ones. For them it's typical, but they're aluminum, so you don't got to worry about them breaking. And then you got plenty of clearance, so you don't got to worry about it hitting your fender. This trailer also has aluminum wheels, stainless steel center caps, LED lights all the way around, V-nose front, and it is that slanted V-nose, but you also get the anodized corners and nose. Has a side door, also being held back by an aluminum door holdback, 2 5/16 coupler, and the jack, which is a front wind because of that V-nose. So it's a very high quality trailer, US cargo. Look them up, you won't be disappointed. And this one is in stock, 7x16 double door, available at Weller's Utility Trailers.